Welcome everyone. In this episode, I want to share with you some of Ohio's, what I'm going to call other Amish country. These are some clips from close to where I live. Ohio's well-known Amish country is in Holmes County, being Millersburg, Sugar Creek, Walnut Creek. Very popular, a lot of tourism there. But this is another large Amish community in north central Ohio, Richland County area, Morrow County area, Knox County area, and a lot of small businesses there. It is a large farming community too, but the Amish run several Bent and Dent grocery stores. There's several sawmills, businesses that make tarps, greenhouses, a lot of businesses like that in the area. One thing that I would like to bring to everyone's attention is that these Amish people and children are somewhat of a road hazard. There's been some deadly accidents in this area where some of this footage has been shot. I know of a lady who was killed this past summer, and as you'll see in some of these clips, there's children walking on the roadway. The one little girl is actually walking backwards on the edge of the road, and a lot of these buggies are operated by small children. So please, if you're out in the area, use caution, keep an eye out, and I hope you enjoy this video. This Amish community is spread out over quite a distance. There's a fairly large concentration from the Fredericktown, Chesterville area over in towards Mount Vernon. And on the other side of Mount Vernon, it kind of stops at the edge of Mount Vernon. And then on the other side, the east side of Mount Vernon, it picks up again and is spread out clear over and towards Coshocton. So this entire area is south of the Millersburg, the Holmes County settlement. But this Richland County area is mostly Old Order Amish or Sorching Trooper. I don't know exactly how to tell them apart, but you can tell that there are two different church districts here. This by the buggies. You'll see that there are buggies that are open air. They do not have a cover on them. And then there's also the buggies that are the black buggies that most people associate traditionally with the Amish. I have to say that this tanker wagon, this is the first time I had ever seen it, and I was really impressed and in complete awe. I have a family member who is an Amish taxi driver and was telling me that the county commissioner does not like this Amishman having this wagon on the road, but I just think it's awesome. All right, thank you for coming along with me today. I'm the V-Man. This channel is dedicated to travel and events, festivals, historical sites, museums, just about anything you might find interesting or entertaining in the state of Ohio and the surrounding states. I do have some videos I'm always working on. Unfortunately, I do still have to work a full-time job, but coming up, I'll be going to the Medina Ice Sculpture Festival, Bloom Festival in Coshocton, and Mothman Festival down in Point Pleasant, just to name a few. Hey, until next time, my friends, it's good to be alive.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gone.